What if I told you the most feared gang leader in U.S. history might walk free? Larry Hoover, co-founder of the Gangster Disciples, sentenced to 6 life terms, now possibly getting a presidential pardon? From running operations behind bars to Kanye begging presidents to pardon him, this is more than just a prison break story. This is America's underground history. If Larry Hoover walks free, is justice being served or rewritten? Subscribe for the full breakdown on what's really happening behind this pardon.